Hi, this is Miudo from Cigar, Vice President of Product Development and Marketing, and I'm here to show you how to V-cut your cigar. Here I have the Cigar VX2 V-cutter, and it is a V-shaped blade, and it'll give you a V-shaped cut in your cigar. You're going to release the blade by pressing on the two buttons on the side. Spring-loaded, so it'll pop up. On the back, you'll see this is where the part of the cigar that gets cut will empty out. And it's also, when you use it, you can see that it's going to protect you by governing how much of the cap you're going to cut off. It's not going to let you cut off too much, it's actually going to cut up just the right amount. So you're going to position the cigar into the opening here, and when ready, you have a nice perpendicular angle, press down on the blade, and you get a nice V-cut on the top of your cigar. The benefit of a V-cut is that it's a little bit larger than a punch, a little bit smaller than a full straight cut. Another way to enjoy your cigar. So for this and all Cigar products, go to SeriousCigars.com.